Well, hey guys, I'm on the Lure of the Seas and I'm in the Central Park area on deck 8, and I'm fixing to take you on a video walking tour. It's port day, there's not many people out here, but I'm going to try to throw you video clips when there is people out here, maybe in some night videos and maybe some from above. So hey, let's turn the camera around and walk through Central Park. Okay, I'm going to try to go down one side, then I'll come down the other. That right there is a bar that goes from deck 8 down to deck 5. You can just get in and ride it out. Let me throw a video clip in right quick what it looks like in action. There's a restaurant called 150 Central. Got some nice areas to set out here, kind of get away from the crowds, shaded. Say there's not many people here because it's port day. There's a nice bar right here. If you'll look up on both sides, them are actually cabins. Them are balcony cabins overlook Central Park. And I actually had one of them on Harmony of the Seas. I enjoyed it. I prefer an ocean view, but them are nice too. If you just like people watch, you can sit out here at night, calm and peaceful. Yeah, right there's the Park Cafe if you want to grab you a bite to eat while you're out here. There's Giovanni's Table. I think that's an Italian restaurant. Good morning.
They're washing them today.
Well, we made it to the other end. I'm going to make a circle around and go back so you can kind of see what's on the other side. Probably some high-end stores here. I can't pronounce all the names, so I'll just show them to you. It's like watches in that store. Nice place to sit. Omega and Hublot. We're getting back towards where I came in. That's the bar that goes up and down again. Leave right up here on the right. You hear about the steakhouse. There's Chops Grill. This is a shot from deck 15 looking down into deck 8, Central Park. Here's a shot looking down into Central Park from the 15th deck. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that little video walking tour of Central Park here on the Allure of the Seas. If you did, hey, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, check out my other cruise videos coming up here on the end screen. Until next time, happy cruising.